So trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles. If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then such an angles are called complementary angles. Okay. If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. For example, so an angle 10 degrees is complementary to 80. 10 plus 80 equal to 90. 40 complementary 50. 40 plus 50 equal to 90. Complementary of 45 again 45. So the angle which is complement to itself is 45. Complementary is 20, 70. Complementary of angle A 90 minus A. Simply we are doing 90 minus. So 20, 70 are complementary. 50, 40 are complementary. Complementary of angle A is 90 minus A. So complementary of angle A is 90 minus A. Okay. Complementary of angle 45 is again 45. Now we need to find the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Okay. So now I am taking a right angle triangle. Let triangle ABC is a right triangle and right angle at B. I am taking a right angle triangle. The right angle is at B. So this is right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle and right angle at B. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So already we know angle B equal to 90, right angle, plus C equal to 180. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90. Angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. So sum of angle A and C is equal to 90. A and C are complementary angles. So angle A comma angle C are complementary angles. Angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Okay, now corresponding to angle A, corresponding to angle C. I am taking both, corresponding to angle A and corresponding to angle C. Opposites. What is corresponding to angle A opposite? BC. Adjacent to angle A is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Next, corresponding to angle C, opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is same. Okay, now, so I want to find the trigonometric ratios. So first, sine A equal to opposite. Opposite side what? What is opposite side? Sine A. Sine A opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite equal to BC. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. Cos A equal to, so here I want to write cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Adjacent equal to AB. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. Tan A equal to opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite? opposite equal to BC, adjacent AB. Next cot A equal to adjacent by opposite, AB by BC. Next sec A equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is hypotenuse? AC, adjacent AB, AC by AB. Cosec A equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC, opposite is BC. Okay, so this one. Now A plus C equal to what? A plus C equal to 90 implies C equal to 90 minus C. Angle A plus angle C 90, angle C equal to 90 minus C. So I am taking sin C. Sin C equal to opposite by hypotenuse equal to opposite corresponding to angle C. Opposite equal to how much? AB. Opposite equal to AB. Next hypotenuse is equal to AC implies sin of C we can write 90 minus A, which is equal to AB by AC. Observe all this. In this AB by AC is this one. This is equal to cos C. Next cos C. If you are taking cos C adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? Adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So cos of C equal to, I am taking 90 minus A, which is equal to BC by AC. In all these 6 BC by AC is here. So it is equal to sin A. Next tan C. Tan C equal to definition opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite AB. Hypotenuse. Opposite by, not hypotenuse, adjacent. Adjacent BC. AB by BC. Tan C equal to 90 minus A, which is equal to tan of 90 minus A. So AB by BC, if we observe AB by BC is here, it is equal to cot A. Tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A. Next cot C. Cot C equal to adjacent by opposite. So what is adjacent? BC. Opposite AB. Cot C equal to 90 minus A equal to BC by AB in all these 6 A's. So BC by adjacent BC by AB here, tan A. Next sec C. So sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypotenuse? So hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is BC, implies sec C equal to 90 minus A, AC by BC. In all these 6 AC by BC, here it is cosec A. So cosec C equal to hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC, opposite is AB, implies cosec C equal to 90 minus A. This is equal to AC by AB is sec A. So if we observe sin C, sin of 90 minus A equal to cos A. Cos of 90 minus A equal to sin A. Tan of 90 minus A is cot A. Cot of 90 minus A is tan A. Sec of 90 minus A is cosec A. Cosec of 90 minus A is sec A. So these are the formulas. So these are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. If we observe, so this is sine. I am taking complementary CO, adding cosine. So next tan, adding CO, sec, adding CO, complementary. So if we are adding CO, cosine. First three letters if we are taking cos, complementary of sine, cosine. Complementary of cot, if we are taking first three letters cot, cotan. So complementary of sec, if we add cosec. If we are taking first three cos, already it is cos, that's why we are taking 5 at a time. So cosec. That's why the names of cos, cot, cosec will be came from sine, tan and sec. So these are the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Next topic, trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. So first I am taking to find the trigonometric identities. I am taking a right angle triangle. So let's triangle ABC is a right triangle and right angle at B. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle at B. So right angle triangle ABC. So this is the right angle triangle. So let angle BAC equal to theta. This is the angle, it is equal to theta. So angle BAC equal to theta. Next, corresponding to angle BAC. So corresponding to angle theta I am taking. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse equal to AC. Now I want to write all the 6 trigonometric ratios. So sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse is equal to sin theta BC by AC. Cos theta equal to, what is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is equal to adjacent AB by AC. Tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. This is equal to BC by AC. Next, cot theta adjacent side by opposite side. This is equal to AC by BC. Next, sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. This is equal to AC by AB. Next, cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite. This is equal to AC by BC. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios in terms of sides, the relations in terms of sides. Okay, now, so triangle BAC is what type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle. And a right angle triangle, which theorem is applicable? Pythagoras theorem is applicable. So Pythagoras theorem is applicable. Pythagoras theorem is applicable. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of remaining sides. AB and BC are the sides. Squares AB square BC square sum is equal to AC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So now I want to divide equation 1 I am taking. Divide equation 1 both sides with AC square. So divide equation 1 with AC square on both sides. Okay, AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square equal to AC square by AC square. So I want to write this one whole square. AB by AC whole square, BC by AC whole square, AC square by AC square 1. AB by AC is cos theta whole square, BC by AC sin theta whole square equal to 1. This we can write sin square theta plus this we can write cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the first identity 1. Next, so divide equation 1 with, so what we need to divide, so divide with AB square on both sides, AB square on both sides. So AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square equal to AC square by AB square. So I am dividing all with AB square. AB square cancel 1 plus BC by AB whole square equal to AC by AB whole square. So 1 plus BC by AB. BC by AB is BC by AB. So here it is BC, numerator BC. So actually tan theta equal to adjacent side, it is equal to AB. BC by AB equal to tan theta whole square equal to AC by AB. AC by AB equal to sec theta whole square. Sec theta whole square. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta bringing outside, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is identity 2. Now, so this is identity 2. Next, I am dividing now with the equation 1 with BC square. So divide with BC square to equation 1. Dividing equation 1 with BC square. So AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square equal to AC square by BC square. So AB by BC whole square plus BC by BC square cancel 1, AC by BC whole square. AB by BC, AB by BC, AB by BC. So AB, so sec theta hypotenuse, okay. Cot theta adjacent equal to AB actually. AB by BC. AB by BC equal to cot theta. Cot theta whole square plus 1 equal to AC by BC. AC by BC cosec theta whole square. Cosec theta whole square. Bringing cot theta whole square outside, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Identity 3. So I1, I2, I3 are called trigonometric identities. So in numbers, additive identity is 0, multiplicative identity 1. How much those numbers are important in trigonometry? These three are called identities. These three equations are that much important. So why we are called these identities? So if you substitute any angle theta, so if you substitute, these three equations will be satisfied. Whatever the angle theta, if it is 30 degrees, 90 degrees, whatever the angle, so these equations will be satisfied. That's why these equations are called identities. So these are called trigonometric identities. Once I want to write the identities, so sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. From these equations we can write, so from these equations I want to write sin square theta value, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is also bringing sin square outside, 1 minus sin square theta. Sec square theta equal to bringing outside 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to bringing 1 this side, sec square theta minus 1. Next, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So these are also identities. With the help of this one we will get these formulas. So these are also important while doing problems.